is up, guys? I'm getting a new fridge today. This is how the old one looks in this spot. I'll come back to you whenever they're putting the new one together. Okay. Oh crap, my head. There's a wall there.
Trinity, whenever you get a chance on that,
Where the pictures to be.
I did not throw it away. Oh, that's it.
That's where it's gonna go. That's where it is now. Wow. Half made up. We told them. Put it right there. But they didn't listen. So now it's over there. But under the other fridge, still not there. Behind the scenes, look. Actually, I better look to see this. Yep, it's just the back. Yep, there it is right there, the back. Oh, you thought you were going to get a sneak peek at the top. Nope. Guys, I too did top. Oh, the one from that way.
It's the other way.
Oh god, I just all over the front. Don't look at it, but I can't. I'm looking at it. Oh god, I just looked at the top. I'm not gonna look at the freezer. Oh, sure, I just gave me that everything. I know a little bit of information about it. There. You gotta sneak peek at it. 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 I just gave you a bunch of sneak peeks at it. You can pause and analyze it if you want, but I'm just gonna look at it. I'm looking down. I'm gonna up right there. We're so good. Look at that thing.
The garage for now.
You just saw the freezer. Sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek, sneak peek. I just saw the whole thing. Shut. It's like balls. Well, I'm not gonna let you guys see the front. I'm gonna let you guys see the product key. Or if you guys want to spoil it for yourself, then knock yourselves out. If you guys want to hack it and scan it for your own fridge, then knock yourself out. That would be us.
When did they turn it on, number 2? Where's the thermostat?
I don't know. I'm not a fridge keeper. My dad has it open.
Where's the thermostat?
That's not it. That's it. So that's the freezer, everybody. On the side of the fridge. And
No, that's just unlimited arrows. Listen to that crisper box.
first look.
Huh. Oh, here. Never mind.
Nice job.
It's electronic.
Nerds! The turbo, cool. Literally.
Shit, maybe we could have gotten a bigger one. I never thought that the door would open beyond this. So we could have gotten a wider one. Motherfucker.
Why
Well,
didn't
maybe not then, because it's already all the way against here.
Not ready. Or just open it a few times.
That's gonna be dangerous.
What's gonna be dangerous though?
Well, think about it. Randy comes in here and slams it open.
Yeah, we could have gone bigger. Oh well.
Damn it, why didn't you?
Well, I had 2.5 inches I would have needed without. Or 2 7/8. I gave them. We might have been able to go bigger.
What do you mean by this is hard to open? I've been opening these at the store for years.
Like 35 and 7/8.
They're
So
already
it may not have been enough.
Huh?
Already dirty.
You used or what? By cheapo?
Look at all those handprints.
That doesn't mean you keep playing with it, Ramsey. Or are you dicking with
At
it?
least the quote on his.
I turned it on turbo
Taking
cool.
picture. I'm taking a recording video so I can see what it was like whenever it was actually clean. Put a piece out so I can